Are you looking for a great home with a little more space and a great place to entertain friends and family? Then I've got just the home for you inside Sherwood Farms of Crossville, Tennessee. Welcome home, guys. Victoria Eberhart here, and this is 2707 Spruce Loop in Crossville. This home is incredible, and not only will you have your own backyard oasis with a screen-enclosed back deck and a pool, but inside you'll find a bright open floor plan, 3 spacious bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, a mudroom, and an attached garage. This home has so much to love, and I can't wait to show you guys the inside and come back to hear my top favorite features. One of my favorite features of this home is the entertainment space. Whether you're looking to throw a fun get-together or just relax with your favorite book, this is the spot for you. Walking out from the entertainment area, you will find your own private pool with an attached deck for all the sunbathing you could imagine. The openness of the living area is forever welcoming and yet will leave you feeling comfortable and cozy. And who wouldn't love a catch-all area coming in from the garage with your own mudroom just off from the kitchen? And this is 2707 Spruce Loop. Give me a call, text, or email, and I'd love to show it to you.